Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to fix Chrome app not installed or app not compatible problem on any Poco phone. Now to do that, just go to the Play Store. Now from here, tap on the profile icon at the upper right corner on the display. Now from here, tap on Play Protect. Now from here, tap on the settings icon at the upper right corner on the display. Now from here, just make sure you disable these options. Now from here, tap on Turn Off. Now from here, just enter your PIN. Now from here, once you have done that, just go to your home screen. Now from here, just tap on Settings. Now from here, scroll down and tap on Apps. Now from here, tap on Manage Apps. Now from here, search Google Play Services. Now from here, tap on Google Play Services. Now from here, tap on Clear Data and select Clear Cache. Now from here, tap on OK. Now if you have done that and if the problem is still not solved, just tap on Uninstall Updates. Now from here, tap on OK. Now once you have done that and if this settings does not fix your problem, then the APK you are downloading might be old. Just make sure the APK you are downloading has gotten updates in the last few months. And this is how you can fix Chrome app not installed or app not compatible problem on any Poco phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.